Hi guys, welcome to the Gadget Show Tech. This video is about the new aircraft technology for passengers, large and small, personal, for urban areas, and these are zero emissions electronic technology from Airbus, Vertical and Supernal. And a few other little clips of others.
Achieved through the development of our game-changing technologies. Hyundai Motor Group is already an industry leader in hydrogen fuel cell powertrains. In addition,
So Supernal is part of Hyundai Motor Group. We're an advanced air mobility company, and we're developing an eVTOL, an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle for the public use. We're planning to go to market in 2028, certifying our vehicle to the highest commercial aviation standards in the US, and then validating shortly after and taking flights in the EU and UK. As part of Hyundai Motor Group, Supernal partnered with Hyundai's top auto designers to develop the interior cabin here. So it's a balance of art and science. The Supernal engineers and the emotion and creativity of auto designers work together. So that's how we pulled this together. The cabin has a lot of the same creature comforts that you find in your own automobile, and many of the materials are very sustainable. The thermoplastics you see used on the seat frames are fully recycled scraps from the manufacturing process. This fabric here is made with recycled plastic, and the leather on the seats here is vegan leather made with plant-based materials. In addition to the center console, some of the other automotive influence you'll see is the lighting at the top is inspired by a moonroof or sunroof, and the lighting will adjust throughout different parts of the flight.
I was lucky enough to sit in this and try it out. The seat seemed okay, a little bit firm and everything. The VX4 from Vertical will transform the way people will travel with speeds of over 200 miles an hour. Nearly silent flight with zero emissions and a lower cost per passenger mile. So the VX4 is aiming to open up the urban air mobility to a whole range of passengers in the future. This aircraft has the world's lightest and safest electric powertrain and is co-developed by Rolls-Royce. If you want some more details, just go to my page in the description and there's a lot more information there. Thanks.